Once you get the fork tube slid up inside the triple tree, you can use your finger to feel how high that is. I like the cap to be a little bit lower than the height of the black tree. I also used a magnifying glass to verify it. Once you have the feel correct, come down underneath and without disturbing the fork tube, put a wrench on it and pull it. And make sure that both sides are snug using the wrench. That way when both sides are snug, the fork tubes can't fall. You can come back with a wrench later, and even a torque wrench after the bike's fully assembled, and you can torque them down. So don't worry about perfection right now. All you're trying to do is get the fork tubes in and get them locked down. Now come back with a wrench on top of the triple tree and tighten the tops of the fork tubes.